How to invite friends in League of Legends. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can invite friends in League of Legends. So there are multiple options to add or invite friend in League of Legends. So first of all, you have to launch the League of Legends client, and after that, if your friend isn't already on your friend list, locate that friend icon in the client, usually on the right side of the main window. You can enter your friend's summoner name, their in-game name, and send the friend request. And after that, you can create or join a game. If you want to play with your friend, create a game lobby or join an existing one. If you want to spectate, find your friend's profile in the client or in-game and select spectate. And you can invite your friends once in the lobby to spectate mode. Access your friend list, select the friend you want to invite and click the invite button. Your friend will receive an invitation and they can accept it to join your game or spectate. So that's it for the video. See you on the next one.